Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you one of our another amazing products, and I'm always jumping on with amazing products, but they really are, you've got to try them honestly. And this one is the Rapid Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. It's part of our Hairlab collection, which is being created by, you know, the hairstylist to the stars, and it really is a brilliant product. But I was skeptical at first, as usual, because I'm used to using this one. Now, when you see the two and you compare the two, yes, there's a size difference. It's only 50 ml, but there is a size difference. There's a price difference too. But when you see this in action, you will see how fab it is. So I've had this one for ages, ever since launch, and honestly, well, maybe because I do wash my hair more often, but I had to leave it like this for a good, to do a good video. Right, so I'm going to show you the two in action. So this one is our Rapid Hair Refresh. And if you see, look how fine that is. And that is what I love about this product. It's how fine it is. So let me just do as we do, and look at that. Brilliant, I love it. Then we've got this one. And you can see straight away, can't you? It really is. Look, and you will all know it does leave that cakey white in your hair. So I'm going to do it the same as I did with that one. So yeah, I need to do my fringe, so we'll go back to this one so you can see again how fine. You know, it doesn't take as much. But look, this is still from that one. So I need to rub that in. All right, so back to this one. It's so much finer, and that's what I love about it. So let's get that in so I can actually go out. There. Dry shampoo in action. I love it. So this one, 150 ml, it does smell of juicy apple. You all know what you can get in those ones, but we're not talking about that anymore because I love this one. And it is juicy apple. It's got rice starch, and it has tapioca flour in, which soaks up that excess sebum and all them impurities. So if you want to get this, why not open a free account? You can get this at wholesale price. Hit the comment below, hit a comment or hit the link, whatever, and get your free account and get this ordered and shipped out to you. Bye.